Hi everybody, I am doing a black and white pour with some Prussian blue and Payne's gray as well. I excuse me, couldn't decide what style pour to do, like flip and drag or string pull, so I'm kind of just winging it here. And going with what I'm kind of just feeling. I'm going to start with a flip cup, and then I will take it from there. And hopefully you've had time to read this, and I'm going to move it. So this is my black paint, which is a mix of some black house paint, and I believe there is some Liquitex basic Mars black in it, and some iridescent medium possibly. So yes, iridescent medium is in here. So a whole bunch of stuff. Oh my gosh, that lid wasn't on. Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on one moment. I should really check that before I go shaking it. Alright, I don't think it got anywhere it really shouldn't. So this is MDF, medium density fiberboard, that I've had cut for me. This is the Prussian blue and Payne's gray combo. This is a 2-ounce cup I'm using. And I think I will fill it up. So I'll be starting with 2 ounces of paint. And it's just Floetrol and water, no silicone in it. Oh, I forgot to tape the back. Oh well. And I sanded the heck out of these corners. So hopefully the paint will flow over them easier. Look how pretty inside. Using up the rest of the color that's in here, which gives awesome lines. Kind of combine these colors more. Need to add more pink. I like these colors together because they end up so marbly. Quiet because I'm just kind of enjoying watching the paint move on this one. It's really peaceful. And I realized I'm covering the entire painting. They're pretty much the entire board. There's really not any negative space in this one. Is flowing a little better off the sides, but still hates going over that little curb. I'm just going to help it on the sides. Actually, pretty much it got everywhere. Of course, if all those little cells pop up, then I will have to, oh my gosh, go through it again. I keep forgetting in between filming that my torch is stuck. Oh, not too bad. I'm filming. That was my son.
Jacob does know, I told him.
I'm not liking it so much anymore. It's way too zigzaggedy. Yeah, way too zigzaggy. I get that swirl going. some of the zigzags out of here while leaving other parts that I do like. Plus I like this, there's more blue now. This needs to be centered a little bit more. What I'm doing is, when I say centering it, trying to get rid of the zigzags. So now it is fairly centered. Hanging on the sides of this too. Okay, as soon as I turn this off, I'm fixing this. All right, so I'll tell you what I like about this now is that it's centered, I guess is the main word I can say. I love these little cells, the outlines, and I like the softer look. And you can see some of the black is popping through in various spots. So I have a feeling it will get a little bit darker as more of the black shows through. Even as I'm talking, more and more of it. So that's a good thing then that I lightened it up. Put my caps all the way on, so when I shake them next time, I don't shake the paint all over. Ooh, it's pretty. Sometimes I don't look from far away. Apparently I turned you off when I was covering you. So here we go. So these are the way the sides are, so you can see why the paint sometimes has trouble going over that edge. And so this is the Prussian and Payne's gray with the iridescent, and then just black and white. And there it is. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.